Whoa. And ta-da! The SC7 TRS to RRS patch cable. Cool. Though I'm looking for the VIDEOMIC L, the one with the lightning, but let's see for now. I'm excited! Woohoo! And this came from there. I thought it was just it's really from Thoman, thank you. It's good. This was actually cash on delivery. I paid the others in online, but I'm not yet sure, but I think they're good. So this came and I was checking AliExpress online versus the Thoman. I found them and the Thoman is coming from Germany. And so far, they are the cheapest that I could find. This cost €45. And actually, this came from, I had 50 euros that is given by my parents-in-law here in the Netherlands. And I was saving up for this one. And I think it was the perfect gift to remind me of that their 50 euro is best well spent. So it says here it is a 2-year warranty, no battery required, compact size, and I like anything really compact, handy, small, but powerful. And Ricote suspension mount included. Oh yeah, that one, this one. Okay, let's park it there. The box, it says the same, and let's open. And I just look at the picture and oh, it's both black, so I guess it's the same. I'm excited to test this one. And I guess this goes here. Oops. There you go. Cool. You know, I think this is very important here, especially in windy Netherlands. And ta-da! Nice. Let me see this one. I thought it was smaller, this one, but I guess that will catch all the wind here. In the Netherlands. That's why we have windmills here. And I noticed a lot of times, especially when we went skating one time. Whoa, that looks good. Cool. Okay, and this one is for a phone. In case, so I got this also. But I think it will be obsolete in a while because the iPhone, they don't have already this area. But let's see for my other phones. Ta-da! That's it, guys. Making for the reason I bought this one is also aside from the windy areas, and I wanted to have a cardioid or a super cardioid, but for now, because this is compact in size and I have some requests for professional videos already, so I think it's handy to have this one, and maybe we will upgrade again next time. But for now, this is our day of a quick unboxing. Hope you like it, and hopefully I will review next time. Hartelijk bedankt, Mati and Avert. Mine's Cone Alders. And, oh, I do remember this one. That's why I did like the Rode. Is it has these grooves to permanently attach there because I really hate dangling wires. And I find black and red like sexy, like manly and yet sexy, if you understand what I mean. And this one, okay, let's open this one too. And of course it looks so similar. And this one is the one attached here also for your VIDEOMIC Go or your iPhone. And this one is attached to the phone. Okay, there you have it. And another trick that to see if it's the original, it has to have this markings of Rode. Like that. And it's really, the build quality is really, it's not the weight, but it is the matte. And it's not rubberized. And this one, it feels substantial. Okay. Hope you like it, and please await my review whenever I have the time.
Thank you for watching!
Like and subscribe. Please support our
VLOGMAS!
and hope we can finish this challenge